trying to go get home here as fast as I can, catch the boys. They're playing in the mud puddle. I thought I'd get a shot of them jumping in the mud puddle or the water puddle after the rain here. So wife just called and said they were doing that, and I was down at the shop, so I'm going there right now. What are you doing, buddy? What you doing, bud?
He's like getting done with it.
I'm gonna get you wet.
Coley,
come here, Cole.
Show Daddy the puddle.
Can I?
Come jump in it.
Hey.
Come jump in the puddle.
What are you, big mess? Huh?
No,
come on. Come on. Look at you. Look at you. Look at your face.
No.
No.
Go get wet. Show Daddy.
Get wet. Dad, look at me. Watch. This is gonna be so weird. I'm scared. That's okay.
Yeah, you're already wet. Huh? It's okay. Show Dada.
Dad. My socks though. Dad.
Yeah, we'll just throw them.
The boat.
They're getting kind of old anyways.
No.
No.
Really dirty.
The boat.
A bubble?
No. Dad, I was like this in a video. Show that video. I just run down like.
Let me see your face.
Mom,
Jump in it.
show.
Let me see your.
Abby.
Huh?
Oh, yeah.
Go, Dad. Go.
Come on.
Go splash.
Photo bomb.
Can you jump in the puddle?
No.
Videotaping.
Splash.
Okay.
No.
No.
I go.
See? Here. What's that?
No.
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 That way.
That way.
That way.
This way, right here. In the puddle. This way.
Your teeth.
There's a puddle. The neighbor's coming back. So just wait right there.
No. You already closed up.
Huh? No.
I thought you were closed up.
Guys, you guys have fun?
Yeah, my foot.
Did you have fun?